Hello everyone, today we have a 2015 GMC Acadia with all-wheel drive and a clean title. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. And if any of the LEDs on this vehicle appear to flicker at all, that's the refresh rate of the camera that's bringing you that disco party. They don't flicker to the human eye. See, it does have alloy wheels. This one also has dual panoramic sunroofs and an entertainment package. Leather interior, power liftgate. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. So it is the SLT model. Second row captain's chairs. And you have a 120 volt outlet right there, two USBs, a 12 volt power outlet, and then also AV inputs right there. There's another shot of your entertainment package. Here's the VIN right here, and I will upload a still photo of that as well. Bose sound system. Okay, and as we come down here, you'll see right here that it has 110,277 miles on it. Okay, and then you've got your cruise controls, your push to talk, your stereo controls. Come over here, the stereo. Colin Ray is sounding good. Okay, so we'll come back out here to the home, which you see that you do have weather, traffic, and Bluetooth, AM, FM, and Bluetooth. And then you can jump right over to your navigation, which you see the computer's quite quick. Okay. All right, and there's your picture viewer, USB, disc. And so here are your other inputs for AV. If you want to see the backup camera, we'll pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera. And this is for the trip computer right here. As you come down a little bit, you've got your comfort controls. And you'll notice that you do have heated front seats. And then here are your tow controls right here, and then you have another 12 volt power outlet, another USB outlet right there. Okay, and then here's your shifter, cup holders, and then you have additional stowage down in there. And up above you're going to have your OnStar SOS and such, and then your sunroofs and your controls for your sunroofs, and that about wraps it up for this GMC on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.